Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day 12 of the 8-minute practice. These practice that do not require any extra time. And we are focusing on how can we use the time to practice, time that we are already doing something like household chores. And today's topic is laundry. And I want to thank those who gave me feedback asking for a little bit more of guidance. So I'm going to share as a form of invitation, how can we pay attention on purpose with no judgments in a way that brings us back into this embodied awareness of what's here. So I'll invite you to notice as you decide to put your laundry, your dirty clothes in the washing machine. Notice, how do you sort your clothes? You take one item at a time. You feel the texture. You notice the color. You're using your senses. Are you aware of how it feels when you touch your clothes? In your head are the thoughts identifying the material. This is cotton, this is wool, this goes in a different load. How do you sort your clothes in full presence? Then you reach for your detergent. You place it in the right place. Do you do it automatically, or are you noticing the smell? If you use a detergent with a smell, do you start doing each movement, loading your washing machine in an automatic mode? Or you bring yourself back into this awareness of each movement? And I hear my head say, you're doing this too slow. Speed up, there's more things to do. And I smile, recognizing that it's just a thought. I don't have to answer. I don't have to respond. I don't have to engage. I can only notice that right now, my head is creating a story, is judging, is focusing on the future, pushing me to do more faster. That's all I have to do, is to notice. Then once my load is in the washing machine, I look at the programs, I push the button. Do you stop to listen to the cycle beginning? What do you do once your washing machine is done? It's working, and you go and do other things. Maybe you have clothes to fold, putting things away before this load is done. And you start taking one piece of cloth, getting it ready to put away. If you're folding it, are you aware of each movement? Are you feeling the texture of your clothes as you fold? Are you aware of your own presence in each gesture? Maybe you're aware of the movement. Are you aware of your inner experience while you are moving? Sometimes all we have to do is pay attention, this noticing what's here. Is there any emotions in relationship to this chore? Are you feeling pleased? Are you just absent in your head? The practice has no goal. The practice is this invitation to come back here to notice over and over again. And once you put your clothes away, you start thinking of your to-do list, right? You decide what goes where. Drawers, hanging. How do you notice what to do first? As you move, do you move in awareness? Do you feel each step as you walk towards the closet? Do you notice your presence? Are you aware of every action you're taking? This is the invitation of doing laundry. Paying attention on purpose with no judgment, because the goal is not to have a goal in this non-doing that you're doing. The practice is to notice how you're doing, your experience, your awareness in this moment. And I hope you enjoy doing your laundry, using this time as practice to come back here in more awareness in an embodied way. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.